fucking Lindy will.
I'm still counting.
Me and best friend. It's that right? Yaring. Earring moment.
Bad man them know, them know say I be bad come and do. Each and every night on the
That's exactly what I was looking for.
sucks when you have right feelings wrong time. Can't run from it even if we try.
The sun is making us nicely. And me and best friend. The breeze is nice. It's not cold. The breeze is nice. It's perfect. Really, it's perfect. We think this is exactly what I was looking for.
Way to go. We shouldn't wait too long. Let's just ride this wave we are. Yeah, pack our bags and never look back. Yeah.
Which is hey, la baby girl. What's happening? Please. It's running away. Wait. So these are my huskies, y'all. We'll get to know them as time goes on. I'm freezing. And the parties are about to start. Lol. So our room looks like this, but it's actually this one. Can't get a good view of it, but yeah, this is where I'm staying. Wow, this place is huge. It's big, spacious, very, very spacious. Let's take a detour. Yeah, guys, so this is where we finna be sleeping for a while.
I just wanna get next to your love, next to your love. Huh? I wanna get next to your love, next to your love, next to your love. Oh, get next to your love, next to your love, next to your love. Huh? I wanna get next to your love, next to your love, next to your love. Oh, get next to your love. Flip up on a twist up in the bed. Yeah, get you wetter than a shower head. Huh? You reach 2 o'clock in my yard. So me make you ball and beg.
Tell me where you going. Where you going? I want that name. Are you taking a video? Yes. Oh, it's too hot. I'm feeling it already. Hello, Rara. Oh my God! Yes! No! I'm sinking. Come. Woo, people. As you can see, guys, people, I cannot get up this thing. It's just too high. And I'm still halfway. Literally halfway. It's a lot. Yes, guys, the dune is killing me. It's killing me for real. I'm up here and I'm shining now. Shine, shine, shine. Man, it's a lot. People are still there up there. As you can see, still trying to get up. My fellow friends. But I'll make it. I'll make it to the top.
Following your profile on Instagram, don't worry, you've got many followers.
Oh, okay. I made it, guys, to the top. To the very top. They didn't topple me after all. Made it, niggas. This is the other edge, Lawan. Kemoteng, within. We are within. Let's go. So guys, I'm at the top. Made it. I survived. I always do. Not without a fight. Not without a fight. Not without fighting, darlings. You have to persevere. I'm alive, my people. I'm alive.
You got me hypnotized, but I know that it's alright. Girl, I apologize for being too anxious. I just wanna get next to your love, next to your love. I wanna get next to your love, next to your love, next to your love.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, we're in Dune something mall. So we're gonna, oh yeah, Dunes Mall, Dune Mall, that. So we're gonna keep walking with my best friend. We're gonna swap positions every single time. First, let me introduce her. There she is.
How you doing, people? So we're in Dune Mall, so we're gonna be looking around, looking, because the girls got to look. We are the girls. So see you on the outside.
Yes, peoples. My favorite shop. It's everywhere. I'm just happy that it's always there. But yeah, let's keep walking. So next, we're gonna go somewhere. Oh yeah, to the toilets first, because you know things are getting a little nasty. You know what I'm saying?
No, mama's gotta do the things.
We gotta do the things, and then from there, we're gonna spark a little dance. Let me hand it over to Bestie.
Okay, guys, as you can see, Mary had a little baby.
La.
Merry Christmas, everybody. So I might just find me a white man. You know what I'm saying? Oh,
Maybe that guy. I don't know.
maybe. But anyway, let me switch on to the outside. Let me holla, 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 boom. Ayaba.
Well, guys, it's so devastating. It's Christmas. People have closed my favorite restaurant, Spurs, and I'm missing a nail.
Look at how my baby been looking though. Like, oh, boo boo cakes. We about to sign out. Peace, y'all.
Okay, now it's time for beach time. It's time for the ocean. It's time to look and be one with the ocean.
If you wanna ask the question, we'll Adelaide.
So, this breeze, it's breezy.
So,
Like crispy.
like,
Pheho ya itlaya bo ngwana ke. Ngwana ko gae, pheho ya itlaya. So guys, we're at the top of a bridge. If my phone falls, just know y'all, it ain't me.
Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. Oh, you guys, you don't know me, and you tend to show it. It's over, babe. I walked away like.
Guys, I'm about to step into the water. I'm getting in. I'm trying to get into the water. Utsiriri my gang. Utsiriri. Utsiriri.
You know, I wanna find another lover, and I know you wanna. Since they ain't all like me, all the girls around you, and you just don't know better. Like a fairy tale, ain't gonna end as well.
Give it to them. To them up, give it to them. Give it to them. To them up, give it to them. Swap, ma, give it to them. Hey, give it to them. Hey, hey.
So guys, today we're at Walvis Bay by the shore or something, and we are basically going through different shops. So you'll see me and my best friend going through different shops, different people, and everything. So yeah, let's start the tour. Let me take this. This is a nice place to have lunch. Are we like in the middle? Oh man. Oh.
People.
The ocean. This is such a nice place. Ah, this is a beautiful place. So that's why people are going to be getting into the thing, ocean or whatever. And that's the water. Damn, it's beautiful. Super beautiful.
Why, oh, why,
I want to come closer. Will it fly on me if I come closer? Okay. We are at the mall.
Hey, babies.
Something mall. I'll try and remember.
Plazamia.
Plasmere. It's so big and huge and beautiful and spacious and nice. And it's right by the ocean, which is nice. But you know what would be nicer? If I were to swim.
But we're gonna do that in an hour's time, y'all.
In a
We're
few
back to the
minutes.
beach.
In a few minutes.
Back to the beach. Hey.
Look at what happened. My makeup. I bought makeup finally. An important trip, my gang. An important trip. If my phone falls, I blame it all on y'all. Hashtag Lawate. Lawate.
It's cold out here.
It's so cold, and look at what I'm wearing.
Look at what we're wearing.
Like I'm in summer. Like guys. Like guys. You want all of that chappies?
Get back home.
Bye.
The nails are destroyed.
Baby, we can go somewhere. Baby, you know run down. Only wanna call my dear. Love me in abundance. Baby, we can go somewhere. Baby, you know run down. Only wanna call my dear. Yeah.
That's the trick. Eat your vegetables and your fruits. Listen to your mamas. Okay. Cool. Got that.
Lol.
I'm making you proud. I'm getting an April for the first time in this year.
Your body be trouble away. Oh, why? Oh, why? Bad man, them know. Them know say I be bad, come and do. Each and every night on the